upbeat music. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you on a little adventure, our recent family vacation. The journey. Montage of clips showing packing the car, driving scenery along the way. We had a blast on the road trip. The kids were glued to the windows, spotting everything from rolling hills to quaint little towns along the way. We made some fun pit stops at quirky roadside diners and scenic overlooks, and of course there were plenty of funny moments like snack breaks and sing-alongs. Finally, we arrived at our destination, Seal Bay Resort. It was even more beautiful than we imagined. We stayed at a cozy beachside cabin, which was the perfect place to relax and enjoy the view. The activities. We spent our days exploring everything the destination had to offer. We hiked through beautiful trails, went kayaking, and even tried something new and exciting like ziplining. The food. No vacation is complete without trying the local food. We indulged in delicious seafood and everything was absolutely delightful. We also had some fun nights cooking meals together at our hotel room. All too soon, it was time to head home. But we left with a suitcase full of memories that we'll cherish forever. This trip was all about spending quality time together as a family, and we definitely achieved that. Thanks for joining us on our family adventure. If you're looking for some ideas for your next vacation, I hope this video inspired you. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know where your dream family vacation would be. Subscribe for more videos, and check the description for a travel booking affiliate link.